Today we attempted to make renowned Québécois chef Martin Picard's maple Tres Leches cake. Let us know how you think we did. The first step is to separate 4 eggs. We found the easiest way to do this is to crack all 4 eggs into a bowl, then gently scoop out the yolks and allow the excess whites to run between your fingers. Add the whites to a large bowl and beat on high until very fluffy, then gently sprinkle in 200 grams of granulated sugar. Continue to whip in the sugar until it's well incorporated and smooth. Next, add the egg yolks, a little maple syrup, and a pinch of salt. Mix until the egg yolks are fully incorporated and the batter is silky smooth. Now for the dry ingredients, sift in all-purpose flour and baking powder. Sometimes when you add flour without sifting it, small clusters can get stuck together and form lumps in the batter. Sifting the dry ingredients prevents this. Gently fold the flour mixture into the batter with a spatula. You want to keep as much of the air in the batter as possible. Once the batter is light and smooth, transfer to a greased and lined 9-inch or 23cm square baking dish. Shake the pan to even it out, then bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Ours got a little too brown after 40 minutes. Allow the cake to cool before using a palette knife to loosen the edges, then flipping the cake over to remove from the pan. Peel off the parchment paper and set aside to cool completely. Meanwhile, pour 1 can of Martin Picard's maple condensed milk into a large bowl. If you can't find his brand, regular condensed milk will work fine too. Next, pour in 355 milliliters of whipping cream followed by 250 milliliters of milk. This part made us question if we were doing it right. The instructions say to whip until it has the consistency of a meringue, but we whipped for at least 15 minutes before the fat started to separate and the consistency was still not quite what the recipe called for. Nevertheless, we poured the mixture over our cake, which we had transferred to a larger baking dish. We then spread it out and chilled in the fridge for 30 minutes. This cake didn't get as moist as a traditional Tres Leches cake, probably because the milk and cream mixture was whipped and therefore couldn't soak into the cake. It's possible that we did something wrong, so please Martin, if you see this, help us out, and subscribe to Dished for more tested recipes.